Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up ShareASale account for beginner affiliate marketing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the ShareASale website. Click the Join Us button located at the top right corner of the home page. Fill in the required personal information, including your name. Read the terms and conditions carefully and check the box to agree. Click on Create Account to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email from ShareASale. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Log into your ShareASale account using your email and password. Complete your account profile by providing additional details like your address and payment information. Navigate to the Affiliate tab to access the marketplace. Browse through the available merchants to find programs that align with your niche. Use the search bar or filters to narrow down your options. Click on the program you're interested in to view its details. Review the commission structure as well as the terms and conditions. Click the Join Program button if you find a suitable program. You may be required to provide additional information or answer a few questions during the application process. Wait for the approval from the merchant, which may take a few hours to several days. Once approved, access your affiliate links from the links section of the program dashboard. Copy these links and save them for future use in your content. Choose the method you want to promote these links, such as blogs, social media, or email marketing. Start creating content that integrates your affiliate links in a natural and relevant way. Monitor your dashboard regularly to track clicks, conversions, and earnings. Adjust your strategies based on what content performs best to maximize your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.